An Outagamie County judge delayed the sentencing after an outpouring of support for the woman convicted. Authorities say in 2017, Nicole Sobay had been sleeping in the same bed as her 2-month-old and woke up to find the baby face down and unresponsive. Her blood tested positive for amphetamines, methamphetamines, opiates, and cannabinoids. Sobay's mother testified she became addicted to painkillers after a serious car crash.
Because of her babies are always in front of her, she'll do them for a little while because they cut her off, but the pain didn't stop. You understand? And I'm not making excuses. She's learned how to live with an astronomical amount of pain. And she'll tell you she got addicted to those medications. And at some point she went off and found her own because the pain was so strong.
35-year-old Nicole Sobay was charged in 2019, but she never appeared in Outagamie County Court. Prosecutors say she was arrested in February in Alaska and then extradited to Wisconsin. According to the criminal complaint, police were called to an apartment on North Richmond Street in June of 2017. The complaint states that Sobay told authorities she had her 2-month-old son sleeping with her in bed. She says when she woke up, the baby was face down and not responding. Sobay tested positive for amphetamines, methamphetamines, opiates, and cannabinoids. Her bond has been set at $250,000.
Monkeypox has now officially been verified in Wisconsin. A Dane County resident has become the first Wisconsinite confirmed to have the virus. Fox 11's Monique Lopez tells us what this means.
When COVID-19 first hit the state, it's safe to say we were all unprepared for its wrath. Health officials say monkeypox is not that, but it's important we know and look for the symptoms.
Small skin lesions, which we can call pustules or vesicles, sometimes they appear to have fluid in them. Sometimes their skin can be red.
While a case of monkeypox has been confirmed here, health officials say it's not nearly as contagious as COVID.
We're much better prepared, and we have the advantage of knowing more about this virus and already having vaccines that we believe are effective.
And the purpose of the health department spreading the news of the recent case is not to ignite fear, but to raise awareness to prevent its spread.
To communicate the message not being this is a scary thing, this is a large-scale threat to public health. It's important because we have an opportunity to prevent it from spreading widely, but we're only going to do that if people think to test for it.
The virus isn't airborne. It's most likely spread by contact. Because of the way it's spread, monkeypox has gotten a bad stigma.
This is not a disease that affects only people who identify as LGBTQ. Anyone can get it.
While we don't know how the individual in question got exposed to the virus, we do know this. Officials don't expect monkeypox to become anything like a pandemic, but do want us to be more cognizant.